Hi, Himanshu Bist here, and in this video, you are going to discover why you need to build a community. So, if you are not doing right now, and if you are a creator or a business owner who has something to sell, it's very important for you right now to think about building your community and why you need that and how you are going to do it. That we are going to discuss in very detail in this video. You see, every technology comes with a disruption, and what is happening with AI is there is so much content right now, and I remember back when internet came, content did the same for people because suddenly we all could become creators, we all could become film producers and journalists. And what happens is, when you have this sort of technology in your hands, it gives power to people, and now the things that were limited to certain number of people is accessible to everyone. And again, that is happening with the help of AI, because now content is getting created in mass, and it comes with a cost, because now when there is so much of content itself is losing its value. So if you think you are promoting your business with the help of content, this might not be as effective as it could be after 10 years. Because you see, everyone can create the content that you are going to create, and there is very limited number of words that you can use, and there is very limited number of ways you can present your content. We only can consume content in audio, video, and text. But what is going to happen is, when this technology is available to everyone, then it becomes harder to reach the same people. That means you are going to pay more money to reach the same people. So, what is the solution of it, and how you can survive in this age of disruption? And the answer to that is community. So, if you are selling anything online, let's say you have a course to sell, or you have a software to sell, or you are a consultant or a creator where you are helping other people through your content, the best thing that you should do right now is launch your community. I'll give you an example. The currency of social media is attention. People who have more attention are going to make more money than people who have less attention. So think about Mr. Beast or PewDiePie or all these amazing content creators who have millions of subscribers. And all of them have the attention. And this is why they are making big money. And when the business is changing, this currency is shifting from attention to engagement. So people who have more loyalty towards a brand and people who have more engagement in their tribe, these are the people who are going to succeed more than the people who have audience. So the business is shifting from audience to community. I know there are a lot of gurus out there who are still talking about building your audience, and it is important. Yes, building an audience is important because this is where it all starts. But the future of business is in communities. So your audience that you are holding on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, they are not your audience. They are audience of YouTube. At some point, they will move to some other creator, or they might move to the platform itself, and you will lose money. If you look at YouTube Premium, no one wants to see ads, and people are already exhausted with watching ads. And this is why having a close community of people who believe in your brand and believe in whatever you are creating, this is very important right now. Here is another shift that is happening. People are moving from inorganic ways of consuming content to organic ways of them. And the signs that you can see in the form of YouTube Premium and Twitter Blue, all of these platforms are moving towards building community inside their social network. So this whole shift is happening, and very few people are able to notice it. And if you can notice it, then you also know that building a community is going to be the most important thing that you can ever do in business right now. I wrote this article on Forbes a few days ago, and I call it the tribe effect, where I talked about how communities are becoming more and more important. And there are thousands of people who have read this piece of content. And in this video, I'm sharing the same with you so you can understand the value of community right now. So the way people are going to consume content is by value and not by fancy ads. Because what happens is, in every some time, when marketers come in, then they do a lot of the same thing again and again. Let's say you pioneered the idea of creating interesting ads on Instagram. But what is going to happen is, there are more people who are going to utilize it, and then more and more and more. And after a while, everybody will get familiar to it. And that will be the time when we will look for a different way or different angle to ship the same information. And this is the advantage with building community. So if you want to do that, then I recommend you this tool that I personally use. It's called Skool. I have put the link in the description. And what it does is it helps you get started with building community, and it offers 14 days free trial. Use the link if you want, or you can directly go to the website. I have added the link in the comments and also in description. So what you can do is, if you already have the audience on YouTube or somewhere else, you can invite them to join your community. And I know it might feel like that's an expense, but think about it. You own your list, you own your community, but you do not own your subscribers. You don't even have their email list. So suddenly if YouTube comes to a halt, or suddenly YouTube decides that now we are not gonna pay our creators, then you will get stuck. And this is what I don't want to happen with you. It's so important that if you are creating business and you are working hard on doing something you love, it's so much important that you own the aspect that makes money for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comment box, what do you think about it? I help people with building thriving communities. We have done it with dozens of startups and creators, and I love to talk to you if you are one of them. Let me know in the comment box, what do you think about it? And I'll see you in the next video.